my name is Diana Potokina. I'm CPO of Linagora. And today I will explain what is our Twake workplace, how to build a fully open source digital workplace. So, what is Twake workplace? Twake workplace, it's a collaborative platform, consists of Drive, Chat, and Mail. Which is possible to use like SaaS service and also on-prem. On-prem, we also can add calendar and we also can add contacts, which make absolutely useful workplace for big companies. Everything done like open source, bien sûr. So now we are available on web. And in store, in Google Market and App Store, it's possible to use our mobile applications, which make your work absolutely useful, comfortable, absolutely fancy design. And for open source products, it's super important and it's something fresh, let's say like that. So who has Philip? So let's talk about features, which is already available in our products. If we are talking about Twake Mail, of course, it's advanced search functionality, because search is super important. All of us now, we have a lot of way to communicate. It can be your email, it can be your messengers, and all of us, day by day, we have more and more data. And to find fast write documents or write information inside of a mail, it's super important, and we work hard for search. Folders, filters, to optimize and to organize your data inside of your email. It's done. We also care a lot about security features. Twake Mail is available offline, and we have mobile application for Twake Mail. Also, we have huge roadmap. We open our public platform in November. Now it's available. Everyone can do fast registration using just your phone number and to create your Twake workplace account. And you can test, you can understand what is inside, and if you will give for us your feedback, we will appreciate. So, about Twake Drive. So, sharing and collaboration. It's basic functionality of all drives. Nothing new, but it's seamless design with all Twake workplace. You can see version history and file recovery, security, privacy, antivirus. Third-party app integrations, for example, with OnlyOffice, it's absolutely convenient to use, to share your documents, and to enjoy and to optimize your business processes. About Twake Chat, we develop our chat application based on Matrix protocol. What is Matrix protocol? For example, if you use YouTube, you create your account. If YouTube will not like you, you will be blocked. What advantage of Matrix? You create your personal messenger system and you use. So I will not go directly and deeply in technical details because I will give words and send for Anton, our CTO. And I will continue about Twake Chat. No, please back. Merci. So, end-to-end encryption, decentralized architecture, cross-platform accessibility, of course, open source. Next. Okay. So, what I can say about Twake Workplace? We opened public platform SaaS service in November, but already from January 2024, it's already installed on-prem for thousands of users. Our main customer is CNB, so it means that they trust us because we are super secure. And we provide not only solution, we provide good service and support. Level of SLA is super high. Also, our solution was chosen by Mauritius Island government. We won against Microsoft, and now they use our solution. It's super pleasant, and it's good words and sign for us, and it's absolutely good energy to continue and to move. So, about public platform, we are oriented more for small business, for companies who can and who need to organize their business processes. And our solution, we strongly believe that will help a lot to organize inside of company, communication, storage of data, etc., etc. So, as I said, we are available for iOS, Android, web, and my mic goes directly to Anton SHEPILOV. It's about team, yes. 23 people works for Twake Workplace. It's BA, people from Drive, 5 people, mail, chat, 5, design, BA, QA. So all of us, we work every day. And just to answer for question how to build open source digital workplace, you just need to take decision and do it every day, many, many years, and you will get result.
I have mine.
Okay.
Thank you. So, and I will talk about exactly architecture of the Twake Workplace, how we build it. Just a little bit about the ideology of the open. It's like open source experience, and you will hear the words open source everywhere at every stand here. But we are developing not only open source products, we are developing like open systems. What does it mean? I think first 3 points, it's like public team development and accessibility. It's more about the collaboration. So all our applications are available on GitHub. As I accidentally don't have the QR code for our GitHub, but you can scan this QR code, go to our site, and there is link to our GitHub. We will be glad to show what we did to collaborate together about the ideas and whatever. So the next point, interoperability. So all our applications based on the open products, open protocols. Most of them like just literally based on them, like Twake Mail based on JMap, and biggest part of Patch James product, the JMap server, is also developed inside the Linagora. Twake Chat based on the Matrix protocol, and Twake Drive is compatible with the WebDAV. So we try to be as much open as we can to be able to communicate with the other systems and with the entire world, literally. So the next very important part for us is an encryption. In every application, we've choose how we will implement encryption a little bit differently. In Matrix, it's just inside the DNA of the protocol. Everything is P2P encrypted. And we even developed on top of this some of the features that can relax this Matrix security. For example, if your company don't need these P2P encryptions and want to have like full text search based on all the messages inside the company, it can be implemented in Twake Chat as well. For Twake Drive, we are encrypting all the files. It's encrypted with the key specific to each file, and each key is encrypted with the company key, so it's a little bit maybe overcomplicated, but it is. So, and at Twake Mail, we also encrypting mail file and attachments that we have inside the emails. So, exactly about the architecture of our solution. I will show it on the two examples, like of the Twake drive and the Twake mail, but architecture is a little bit different, but it has a lot of in common. At first, it's modular and it's customizable, every application. So in Twake drive, for example, you can write your own modules. You can extract some functions, like, for example, preview generation, into a separate module to make it more scalable. Inside the Twake mail, you can also deploy a custom module inside every layer of the application, inside the load balancer, inside the Twake mail server, and inside the Apache James server as well. So it's scalable. We are going into SaaS, and so to prevent some peaks of the load, for example, in Twake drive, we know that the most CPU consuming operations for us, it's a preview generations and extract document content for the search. So we can just scale it separately, move it into separate network, into separate Kubernetes cluster, not to affect the main functions of the applications, where you can just upload, share files with other users and all this kind of stuff. And so you can also customize. For example, if you want your Twake workplace on premise, you can customize it with what database you want to use for the metadata storage. If you have small company, you don't need Cassandra with big Cassandra cluster with all the cost that you will have to support Cassandra cluster. Also, if we are talking about our SaaS service, we have also tools integrated into the ELK stack where you can monitor and to understand what you will need from your application in terms of robustness and high availability. It's very important to have such kind of monitoring. And of course, it's security. Security in terms of integrating with your own personal ODC provider, security in terms of what network do you use and on what perimeter, what network will be. I think that's all from my side. I won't go deep in details because it's very, very long topic. I can answer some questions, guys, after this if you will need, if you will have one. So I will pass back microphone to Diana to speak about our roadmap.
It's me again. So about roadmap. Yes, of course, we open beta, but it doesn't mean that we are satisfied and we stop to develop. We want to continue and to develop more and more features as soon as possible with good quality, with less bugs and so on. So, Twake drive, what we are working today, desktop application, multi-account, and functionality saved to my drive. When we share by link, someone receives this link, open, see button, save to my drive, and it's saved, or we offer to do registration and to invite in Twake workplace. For Twake mail, we are working now for threads to organize chains of emails and to present and to be more respectful for users. Don't offer big mess like usually all email solutions offer. So for us, it's super important to offer good UX UI experience. Multi-composers. Also for people who use email very often for their professional life, it's super important. That's why we are focused on that, to open many tabs and to be able to write at the same time for different adressats. Thumbnails for attachments. And of course, LLM integration, because all of us, like we see, with our Lucy, we work a lot for AI. It's our different department. It's not R&D, but soon we will work together. And I hope our customers and our users will enjoy by AI. So for Twake Chat, of course, it's bridges. It's absolutely something special for Matrix because when you use your Messenger, you can send message for people. If you install bridges, you join bridges, you can send message in Signal, in Discord, in email, by the way, also. So more than 30 channels of communication, let's call like that, where you can send message directly from Twake Chat. It's super cool. It's like one window to communicate and to contact and don't open another application. Contact synchronization. As we understood by our experience, it's not easy topic. And synchronization must be done super well. It's important and we are working for that hardly. So an invitation link, yes, of course, to invite people to start to use solution, to have more users, nothing new. But we need to do it. And video call, because now big messenger systems already gave for us this experience to be able to call from Messenger for our parents, for our friends, to organize video calls. It's WhatsApp, Telegram, etc., etc. All this Messenger offers that, and of course we need to be compliant with this standard. Nothing new, it's just standard, it just respect our people, our user. We're working for that, and so it's for our roadmap for 2025, and I hope we will start to use. Please use QR code, download and enjoy. And give your feedback, I ask you one more time, because it will help us a lot, and for you also it will be useful, I think. So thank you, dear guests, for your attention. If you have questions, please don't hesitate. We are open for discussion to continue to discuss deeply. And bye-bye, au revoir. Merci for this opportunity to be here.